Hi guys, I will show you on this video how to install IPTV Smarters Pro on your Amazon Fire Stick. So first you will need to go to the settings, then go to my Fire TV, click on it, then click on about, and we will need to click on Fire TV Stick 4K 7 times to enable the developer mode. So I will click on it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then go back once, and now I can see developer options. I will click on developer options. I will click on ADB debugging to activate it, and I will click on apps from unknown sources to activate it. Then click on turn on, then go back to the main menu, go to App Store, and we will look for downloader. We will look and install downloader, and downloader is an app which will allows us to install IPTV Smarters Pro. So I can see downloader among the suggestions. I will click on it. I will click on this icon, downloader. Then I will click on download, wait for the app to get installed. Now click on OK. Click on open. Click on allow, then click on OK. And here we will type this link, firesticktricks.com/smarters. So I will put this link in the video so that you can pause the video and you can type the link. Then click on go once you have typed the link, and wait for the app to get installed. Click on install. Click on open. Then click on save. Scroll down, then click on accept and select login with Extreme Codes API. And here you will need login details to get access to this app. So you can get the login details from the website that you can find on the first comment of this video. You can also find this website in the description of this video. You can buy the login details from this website, then you will get them by email, and you will have just to type them here on this page and you will get access to this app.